Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Train Your Brain with Nabil. Today we are going to solve IGCSE Mathematics Core Paper 1 Non-Calculator step by step in a clear, simple and exam focused way. If you are aiming to pass confidently, avoid common mistakes and understand how examiners want to answers, then this video is exactly for you. So keep your pen and paper ready, watch till the end, and let us start scoring marks the smart way. Total duration is 1 hour 30 minutes. Formula sheet is given. So let us begin from question number 1. Write the number 10069 in words. So definitely this is very simple. This is 10,069. B part, write 10069 correct to nearest tens. So first of all, students, we should know the place value of each number. So let me tell you. This is unit tens. So we have to correct to nearest tens. So we have to see unit. This number is greater than 5. Then we are going to add 1 to previous value. So it will be 10070. This is the answer. C part, convert 10069 centimeters into meters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now 10069 centimeter will be how many meters? So we have to do cross multiply. So x times 100 is equal to 10069 will divide by 100. 10069 divided by 100 would be equal to 100.69. This is the answer. Question number 2. A bag of sweets cost $0.34. Arun buys 10 bags of sweets. Work out how much change he receives from $5. It's a very simple. We can write appropriate statement for this question. Cost of one bag of sweet is equal to $0.34. Now cost of 10 bags of sweets would be equal to 10 times $0.34. It will be 10 times, we have to remove decimal, it will be 100. So 10 will cut by 1, so it will be 3.4. Now Arun has a note of $5. So afterwards, what is the change he receives from the shopkeeper? So we are going to minus 5.0, 3.4 we'll take one carry. It would be 10. 10 minus 4, 6, and here would be 4. 4 minus 3 would be 1. So answer would be $1.6. Question number 3. Two numbers have sum of minus 2 and product of minus 15. Work out two numbers. So this is very simple question. So if you find the factor of minus 15, it comes minus 5 and 3. So if you multiply them, you get minus 15, and if you add them, you get minus 2. So minus 5 and 3 would be the answer. Question number 4. From the list of numbers, write down an even number. So an even number is 112. It's a very simple. If last number is divisible by 2, that is called an even number. A square number, if you multiply a number by itself, you get a square number. So if I multiply 7 by 7, I get 49. So 49 is a square number. So factor of 56. For that purpose, you can write multiples of 56 as well. So 56 ones are 56, 56 twos are 112. So factor of 56 would be 112. Now a prime number. A prime number means a number that cannot be divided by any number. It has two factors, a number and itself. So 7 is the answer. Now write down the reciprocal of 5. 5 can be written as 5 over 1, and its reciprocal is equal to 1 by 5. We have to switch the fraction. Question number 6. Put one pair of brackets into each calculation to make it correct. So for this purpose, we can do a trial and improvement method. Let me solve a part first of all. So what will happen if I place bracket over here? So let us see what happens. So this becomes 7 minus 5 into 4 plus 8 is 12 is equal to 16. Now we have to apply BODMAS rule. So 5 times 12 is equal to 60. So 7 minus 60 is equal to 16. So this becomes minus 53 is not equal to 16. It means that the bracket cannot be placed over here. Actually, this is something that is related with your trial, and this method is called trial and improvement method. So let me shift bracket on other values. So let me check. So 7 minus 5 into 4 plus 8 is equal to 16. So if I place bracket over here, see what happens. So 7 minus 5, 2 times 4 plus 8 is equal to 16. So first of all, we have to multiply them. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 is equal to 16. Yes. So this place is right. Now for B part, 7 minus 5 multiplied by 4 plus 8 is equal to minus 21. So if I put bracket here around 5 and 8, so see what happens. 7 minus 5 fours are 20 plus 8 is equal to minus 21. So 7 minus 28 is equal to minus 21, and 7 minus 28 is minus 21 is equal to minus 21. Yes, it is right. Next question. A ticket costs $18. Write down an expression in dollars for the cost of T tickets? So definitely this is very easy question. So we'll multiply uh, tickets, number of tickets with the cost. So the answer would be 18T. A bag contains n red balls and 16 green balls. Write down an expression for the total number of balls in the bag. This is very simple. We can write n plus 16. Next question. Write 90% as a fraction in its lowest form. So sign of percentage is always replaced by 1 over 100. So it will be 90 times 1 over 100. 0 will cut by 0, and it will be 9 ones are 9 over 10. 0.9 would be the answer. B part, write 3 over 100 as a decimal. So this is very simple. We can either divide it. So this is a smaller, we can put 0 here, decimal, and then 0 here, and here as well. So it will be 100 threes are 300. This is the answer. Next question. These are the first four terms of a sequence. Write down term to term rule for this sequence. We have to check the common difference. So if you subtract this value from this 33 and 26, this becomes 7. So 26 minus 33 becomes minus 7. So minus 7 and again minus 7 and again minus 7. So term to term rule would be subtract 7. Write out the next two terms in this sequence. So the last term is 12. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, and then 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. 5 minus 2 would be answer. Part B. These are first four terms of another sequence. Find the nth term or general formula, that is a plus d bracket opens and minus 1, where a is always the first value of sequence and d is the common difference, that is 4. So common difference is called d, and we have to find out common difference of first two consecutive values. So it will be 19 plus 4 bracket opens and minus 1. So it will be 19 plus 4 and minus 4. So 19 minus 4 plus 4 and will be 15 plus 4 n. So this is the nth term of the sequence or general formula. Question number 10. Kai cycles from his office to a meeting and back again. The travel graph shows his time at the meeting and his journey back. Now, part A. How far is the meeting from his office? So we have to check the distance for this purpose. So it is 14 kilometer. So 14 kilometer is the answer. B part. How long we have to find out time. Is Kai at meeting for? We have to see his staying time. So for that purpose we should know uh, the exact time for one box. So if you see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 units, so it would be 9 10 920, 930, 940, 950 and 10, then 10 10, 10 20. So he stays there from 10:20 to 11, means 40 minutes. Now C part, write down the time Kai arrives back at his office after meeting. So we have to find the time from here. So it will be 11:10, 11:20, 11:30, 11:40 and 11:50. This would be the answer. Now D part, Kai cycles from his office to the meeting at a constant speed of 21 km per hour. Complete the travel graph. So we know that speed is equal to distance over time, and speed is 21 kilometer per hour, and distance is we have to see from the graph, it is 14. So distance is 14 kilometer, and we have to find out time. So we do cross multiply. So time would be equals to we can show some working here, is equal to 14 kilometer. So divide 14 by 21. Kilometer will cut by kilometer, and 7 twos are 7 threes are. So time is equal to 2 by 3 hours. Now we have to change hours into minutes. It would be T is equal to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 60. 3 ones are 3 twenties are, and time would be 40 minutes. Now we have to mark exact time, that is 9:10, 9:20, 9:30, 9:40. Now we join this with the graph given. So it will be, so this is the complete graph of his journey. Calculate the volume of a cube with side length 3 centimeter. We know that the volume of cube is equal to L times L times L, and it can also be written as L cube. So as cube has all sides same, so it will be cube of 3, that will be 3 times 3 times 3, and 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27 would be the volume. Solve 5x plus 8 is equal to 3x minus 2. So we combine the like terms, will shift plus 3 on this side, it will be negative, and plus 8 on other side, it will be negative as well. So it will be 2x is equal to minus 10. X would be equal to minus 10 divided by 2, and this becomes minus 5. This is the answer. Next question. Work out minus 5 times minus 4. So minus minus plus 5 fours are 20. So 20 is the answer. B part, minus 8 plus minus minus 3. So this becomes minus 8 minus 3 is equal to minus 11. This is the answer. Question number 14. 3p times 3 raised power 4 is equal to 3 raised power 10. So we have to apply laws of indices, and we know that if uh, bases are same and there is multiplication sign, so powers are always added. So it will be m plus n. So same law we have to apply here. 3 p plus 4 is equal to 3 raised power 10. 3 will cut by 3, and p plus 4 is equal to 10, and p is equal to 10 minus 4, and the value of p will be 6. Question number 15. Complete the net of this cuboid on the 1 centimeter square grid. One face has been drawn for you. So if you see that uh, here this is 6 centimeter, length and height is 4 centimeter, or width is 4 centimeter, and we have to draw rest of the faces. We know that a cuboid has total 6 faces. So one face is drawn, that is this one. This face is drawn. Now we have to draw other rectangles. So if we see uh, this rectangle and this rectangle, it can be drawn along with this face. So it will be 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 from here, and we join them, we get the side face. And same we have to do on other side as well. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 4. So it is 3 centimeter, and it is 4 centimeter, and it is 3 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. Now we have to draw other faces. So let me clear this one. Now we will draw the base one, this one and this one. So it will be 3. Let me change color. 1 2, let me clear it. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 from here as well. Now look at the diagram again, and we have drawn the base one as well. Now we are going to draw the front, that is this one. So it will be 4 1 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now one face is left, and that is the top one. So it will be 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this would be the complete net of cuboid. Simplify 6a plus 4b minus a minus 5b. So first of all we can arrange them. 6a minus a plus 4b minus 5b. It will be 5a minus b. It's a very simple question. This is the answer. Factorize. We have to take uh, a common multiple, and that is 3. Here comes 2x plus 3y. 3 5s are 15. It will be 5y. Next part, we have to take x, y as common. So here will be x minus 5. This is the answer. Next question. By writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value of this much. Now 42.8 can be estimated as 40. So one significant figure, that is 40, plus 17.4 can be estimated as 20. It will be 20 upon 1.97 can be estimated as 2, and 5.579 can be estimated as 6. It would be 40 plus 20 is 60, divide by 6 2s are 12, and now we have to simplify it. 2 6 are 12, 2 30s are 60, 6 1s are 6 5s are. The 5 is the answer. Next question. The diagram shows two straight lines intersecting two parallel lines. Find the value of x. So there are two parallel lines, and we have to find out value of x. So students, if you see that this is exactly a Z shape, and alternate angles are existing, so angle x would be equal to angle 50. So this would be the answer, 50 degree. So alternate angles of parallel lines we can write here. Now for y, just see, let me clear the previous working. Just see that this is a parallel line and this is a parallel line again, and angle y and angle 110, they are corresponding angles. So the answer will be 110, and they are corresponding angles. Now find the value of z. So let me clear the previous working. So over here this is a straight line, and if you subtract 110 from 180 degree, you get this angle, and this is 70 degree. So to find out angle z, we can use sum of interior angles of triangle, that is 180. So z plus 70 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree, and this becomes z plus 120 is equal to 180 degree, and it will be 180 minus 120, so z would be 60 degree. This would be the answer. Question. A box contains 10 counters. The counters are either red or green. The ratio of red counters to green counters is 1 ratio 4. Shireen picks a counter at random, notes its color, and puts it back in the box. It means this is a with replacement case. She then picks a second counter at random, first counter and second counter, and the ratios are given. Uh, so sum would be equals to 1 plus 4, and sum would be 5. As the ratio part of red is 1 and the ratio part of green is 4 and sum is 5. So in first branch we can write 1 by 5, and in second branch we can write 4 by 5. As uh, this is with replacement case, so there won't be any effect on second branch, so same probability would be written over there as well for second counter. 1 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 1 upon 5, and 4 upon 5. Now next part, complete the tree diagram we have done. B part, find the probability that both counters are green. So we are going to multiply their branches. So it will be 4 by 5 times 4 by 5. So final answer becomes 16 by 25. So this is answer. It was very easy question. Question number 20. The scatter diagram shows the price of petrol per liter and the number of liters sold at a petrol station on each of 10 days. So let us discuss it. Along x-axis price of petrol is given per liter, and along y-axis number of liters sold given. So first of all we should know the scale along x-axis and y-axis. So along x-axis, if you see, just take first two values and minus them. 1.45 minus 1.40, so 50.0. Now divide this value by number of boxes, and there are 1 2 3 4 and 5 boxes divided by 5, so you get 0.01 for one box along x-axis. Now check for the y-axis. uh, just take the first value, that is 100. 100 divide by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 boxes, so 0 will cut by 0, so 10 per small box along y-axis would be the scale. Now we have to see part A. These are the results for two more days: price per liter and number of liters sold. The price per liter is 1.68, and against this the number of liters sold is 90, and the 1.47 for next day, and against its value is 380. Now we have to plot them. So first of all we have to see 1 point exact position of 1.68, so definitely it's 1.65, and if you add 0.01 you get the exact value of next box, so it will be 6.1.66. Now I have to check for next box again. So 0.01 will be added again. 76.1. Now we have to check for next box as well. 0.01 we are going to add plus 6.1.68. So this would be the exact position. So along y-axis now it is 90. So 90 would be here. 90 would be here. So in this way we can plot these coordinates one by one. Now 1.47 would be, if you see, this is 1.4145, just add 0.01 to it, you get 1.46, and then again add 0.01, it will be 1.47. So 1.47 would be here, and the number of petrol 380, we have to see where 380 comes, so it would be here. Here, yes, this is the right position. So this part is done. What type of correlation shown in the scatter diagram? As there is negative relation between number of uh, liters sold and price per liter, so it would be negative. It's a negative correlation. C part, on the scatter diagram draw a line of best fit. So let me draw a line here. It would be approximately here. Yeah, it is fine. Now next part. One day the price of petrol was $1.55 per liter. Use your line of best fit to estimate the number of liters sold. So 1.55 would be here. Let me draw and check the corresponding value of it. So it will be 210, 220, 30, 40 and 50. 250 would be the answer for this part. Next question. Points A, B and C lie on a circle with center O. Work out angle BCA. So we have to find this angle. So if you see that uh, angle subtended by a diameter on a circumference is always 90 degree. So this angle would be equal to 90 degree. Now you can easily find out this angle now. So it will be angle BCA plus 90 degree plus 39 degree is equal to 180 degree. So we are going to add both angles. 90 plus 38 is equal to 8 and 128. So BCA plus 128 is equal to 180 degree. Now minus them, 180 minus 128. So BCA will be equal to 180 minus 128. We are going to minus, and it would be uh, take 1 carry 7, and would be left 2 5. It would be 52 degree. Next question. Find the highest common factor of A and B. A is equal to 2 to raise power 3 times 3, and B is equal to 3 to raise power 2 times 5. Now we have to find out common factors for that purpose first of all, and we are going to draw loops, and it would be for a common factor is 3 square and 3, but for SCF we always choose a number with smaller power, so 3 would be answer. Now next part, find lowest common multiple of A and B. So A is equal to 2 to raise power 3 into 3, and B is equal to 3 to power 2 and 5. Now we make loops again. For LCM, we take common factors multiply by remaining factors, and we have to select a value with higher power, so it would be 3 square as a common factor, and remaining factor would be 2 to raise power 3 and 5, and we'll simplify it further. It would be 9 times 8 times 5, so 5 times 8 is 40 times 9, 9 zeros are 0, 9 fours are 36, so 360 would be the answer. Question number 23. So let us read question. On the grid, draw the image of triangle T after a rotation 90-degree clockwise, center 0 0. So over here triangle T is object, and we have to draw image as well. So first of all, write coordinates of object, that is x y. The first coordinate is 1 1, second coordinate is 1 3, and the third one is 4 1, and image would be remember students, after rotating 90-degree clockwise, the new coordinates becomes y minus x. So remember, whenever there is this type of situation, swap the coordinates first of all and make the new y value negative. This is a main concept. So it will be 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and 1 minus 4. So we have to plot them now. So 1 minus 1 would be here, and 3 minus 1 would be here, and 1 minus 4 would be here. So join them. So this is the image. Next part, describe fully the single transformation that maps T onto A. So T is the object and A is the image. So definitely this is translated shape. So we have to find out column vector for this, or translated vector. So we have to move from here like 1 2 3 4 5 6 units leftward, it would be -6, and from here 1 2 3 and 4, -4 units downward. So it will be, as we have to describe, so we have to write here, it is translation, and translated vector is -6 and -4. This is the answer. Now C part, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle T onto B. So definitely this is an enlargement case. So for that purpose we need to know two things. Number one, center, and number two, scale factor, that is equals to image length over object length. So to find out the center we have to match their corresponding vertices. So let me take help of a scale. Join any two corresponding vertices. So students, see that both lines are meeting at one point. This is called center, and that is 0 -2. Now for scale factor we have to see image. Image is your B. B is your image and T is your object. So image length, just take any one of the sides. Let us suppose if I take this one, the base side, so I have to count the units. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 units. Divide by, I have to take the corresponding side of object as well, and I have highlighted it, and see 1 2 3, there are 3 units, so divide it by 3, you get 2. So scale factor would be 2. Now we have to write this answer over here, that it is enlargement with center 0 comma -2 and scale factor 2. Next question, work out 1 whole number 1 over 3 plus 1 whole number 3 over 4. So first of all we are going to change in mixed numbers. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 by 3 plus 4 times 1 4, 7 over 4. So make their denominator single by cross multiplying. Multiplied by 4 and it by 4 as well, and this by 3 and this by 3 as well. So this becomes 16 by 12 plus 21 by 12. Though denominators are same, we can easily add up the upper part of the fractions. Now 16 plus 21 is equal to 7, 3. 37 by 12 would be the final answer. It was very easy question. Now question number 25. Write 32,500 in standard form. As we know that our standard form is always written like this: 8 times 10 raised power n, and your value of a should always be starting from 1 and ending at 9.9999 or before 10. So your decimal should place over here. So it comes 3.2500 into 10 raised power. We have to see the values after decimal: 1, 2 and 3 and 4. There are 4 values, so this would be the answer: 3.2500 into 10 raised power 4. Next part, write 5.6 times 10 raised power minus 3 in the form of in the ordinary form. So it will be 10 raised power minus 3 can be written as 1 over 10 raised power 3, or it can also be written as 1 over 1000. So 5.6 divided by 1000. We also have to remove decimal of 5.6. It will be 10. Now there are 4 zeros: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can easily divide. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4.0. 0.0056 would be the answer. Next question. Solve the simultaneous equations: 2x plus 5y is equal to 5. This is equation number 1. And 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Now we can use either elimination method or substitution method. To eliminate, we have to make their coefficient same. So if I multiply equation number 1 by the coefficient of x, that is 3, and equation number 2 by the coefficient of x, that is 2, now this becomes 6x plus 15y is equal to 15, and this becomes 6x plus 8y is equal to 22. Now we have to make their signs opposite, so it will be negative, and this would also be negative, so it will be cut. So 15 minus 8 is, we have to subtract, will this becomes 7. 7y is equal to, so 22 minus 15, and this becomes minus 7. So value of y is equal to minus 7 divided by 7, and the answer is minus 1. Now we have to substitute this value in any one of the equations. So I will take equation number 1. 2x plus 5, in place of y I am going to write minus 1 is equal to 5. 2x minus 5 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 plus 5, and 2x is equal to 10, and the value of x would be 10 divided by 2. This becomes 5. Now the answer would be 5 and minus 1. So this was all about my side. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more IGCSE Maths paper solutions, exam tips, and guaranteed to help practice sessions. Do not forget to share this video with your classmates because success grows when we learn together. Until the next paper, keep practicing, stay confident, and believe in yourself. Take care. Allah Hafiz.